Hey guys, good morning. So I've just woken up, got changed. I really don't want to put makeup on. I don't know why. Oh, I just don't want to. So I'm ready for uni. This time I actually got up on time. I actually got up an hour before I was supposed to set off. Hold on, April. Normally I only have 10 minutes, so I can't decide if to just relax because I'm tired or if to go get breakfast. I should probably get breakfast because otherwise I'll complain I'm hungry. I also can't decide if to eat. Need to make a sandwich here when I get back from uni because I've only got a 1 hour lecture, so I should be back for like 11:30 or something. Or should I? Right, so I've made toast. I'm not gonna butter it until the toast is cold because I don't like the butter sinking into the toast. I'm strange. I've also done my hair as well as my makeup. Can't decide if I like how I look. So now I'm gonna go and make myself a cup of tea in that little travel mug thing, and then I'm gonna set off to university. So yeah, I think that's all I have left to do today. Right, so I have made myself a tuna and sweet corn sandwich with mini cheddars. And now I'm going to watch even more YouTube than I did before. Right guys, a quick update. I have tried to record a conspiracy theory video for like the Halloween thing. So I'm going to try and edit it now. I'm just turning my laptop on. And in like an hour I have to meet up with Belinda. So brilliant. I don't think I'm going to get it done today. I have to get Belinda. I was halfway through editing. So it might be up tonight, depends. Still got my cough. Belinda! I missed you. Hi, one sec. So Belinda's checking the fridge to make sure she hasn't left her phone in the fridge.
Don't even do it. I swear I bought it in there. I've gone back for it. I'm sure I bought it in there.
Sometimes I wonder if she's on the house. Like, seriously.
Yeah, she is. I thought you were.
Guys, I've still got a cold, sorry. I've just uploaded a new video. It's a conspiracy theory video. So please go check that out ASAP. Belinda's asleep. So I think I best go to bed now. And try not to wake her up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm sorry it's been a very short vlog. She's starting to snore. I promise tomorrow will be a bit longer.